Hey guys, this is Ganesh. Welcome back to Ganesh Jadhav Automation Studio.
So today we are going to learn about the iframe in Selenium WebDriver. What is mean by the iframe basically? How basically we can automate this iframe and what is the use of this iframe basically? Okay, so these many terms basically we are going to learn. So just try to understand what is meant by the iframe. Okay, iframe in Selenium WebDriver is a web page or an inline frame which is embedded in another web page, or we can say that an HTML document embedded inside the another HTML document. The HTML document inside the another HTML document, we can say that this is a concept of the iframe. Okay, so why basically we need of these terms, why we are defining the document inside the document? The reason behind it, guys, the iframe is often used to add content from other resource like an advertisement into a web page. Whenever we want to define the advertisement on our web page, so that time basically we have to define this iframe. So the iframe is defined with the iframe tag. So whenever we want to define an iframe, so that time this is an HTML tag basically we have, and we can use this HTML tag whenever we want to define an iframe. Now the point over here is what will happen if we are not handling the iframe. I'm giving you the one of the example, guys. Suppose this is an website basically we have, and this is a web element basically we have. So here I'm just simply clicking on this, like right click I'm doing over here, and I'm just finding the XPath of this web element. Suppose if I'm finding the XPath of this web element, and I'm just doing the inspect, and here you can see, guys, what exactly I'm trying. I'm doing. I'm just finding the XPath over here. Double forward slash h1 in square bracket text method I'm using over here. Okay, is equal to in single quote, and here you can see I am just, this is how my web element is located. But here you can see this is the two frame basically we have. This is the one frame and this is another frame. So here you can see you cannot able to locate this web element. If you are trying to locate this web element with the help of the index as well. So here you can see I'm just providing the index over here. Uh, and here you can see, guys, still it is not locating over here. Still it is showing this web element is already exist over here. It means, guys, what exactly we need to do over here now? We must need to locate the particular web element. So how to locate this particular web element? How basically we can locate? And if we are not handling the particular frame, so what will happen? Let me show you that example as well. So suppose if we are not handling the proper iframe, what will happen, guys? So suppose simple, what exactly I'm trying to do? I'm just creating the one of the web element. Web element is equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath I'm using, and this is the thing basically I'm just doing. Okay, once this is done, now what exactly I'm trying to do, whatever element I'm just located over there, that element text basically I'm trying to get. Okay, once this is done, guys, here you can see I'm just going to run my script, and you can see, guys, what will happen. I'm just fetching that web element, but hold on. I almost forgot to give the URL over there. Driver.get method basically we have to use, and in double column, basically I need to provide the URL of this website. And here you can see, guys, again I'm going to run my scripts over here, and you can see, guys, what will happen. Now my like script is running successfully over here, and you can see, guys, my script is going to fail. Even my browser is not closed over here. And what exactly error you will get? Here you can see, guys, you will get a proper error over here, proper exception you will get. Which exception you get? No such a element, unable to locate the element. This is the exceptions you will get. Okay, this is an exception basically you will get over here. So what exactly you have to do, guys, over here? You must need to handle this thing with the help of the iframe, because it could be a chances this web element inside the frame. But you might have a question, how basically we can identify, how basically we can identify about how basically we can identify keep this web element exists in a particular iframe. So for identifying, we cannot detect the frame by just and seeing the page or by inspecting. We cannot able to say directly, like just and inspecting and just observing. We cannot say that this page contain the particular iframe, this web element contain the particular iframe. We cannot able to say. So we have a two methods. What are those two methods? first method we need to just right click on the element, okay, and if you find the option like this frame, then it is the iframe. So what does it mean, guys? It means suppose we have this web element, and then we are not able to locate this web element. So what exactly we have to do? Simple right click on this web element, and you can see, guys, we can see over here view frame source. It means, guys, this web element contain available inside the particular iframe. So that is why we cannot able to access this web element. So this is the first way we have, and we have another way as well for locating the web element. So what exactly we have to do? Just right click over there on the page, just right click on the page anywhere, and just go to the just click on the view page source. Just click on the view page source, and here you can search that web element like iframe. This web element you can search, and here you can see, guys, yes, in this page basically, yes, in this page basically we have the iframe web element. Here you can see, guys, this is the 2 of 2 matches basically we have. But I mean to say, though, 2 iframe basically we have here in this particular web page. So this is how basically we can identifying the particular identifying the particular iframe within a web page. Now once this is done, but basically how basically handle this iframe, how we can handle this iframe in a Selenium WebDriver. So we have a 3 method with the help of the by indexed, by name or ID, and by the web element. With the help of these 3 terms, basically we can able to identifying the web element. So first of all, we are going to learn about the how to handle the particular iframe with the help of the index. So here you can see, guys, what exactly I'm trying to do. I'm just checking, I'm just inspecting this term, and do we have any this web element, like is this web element is available in the particular iframe? Yes, this web element is available in iframe. Where? Here you can see, guys, this is an iframe tag basically we have. So what exactly I'm trying to do right now? Simple, I'm just writing down the thing over here. What thing basically I'm going to write down? Simple, I'm just using driver dot, what exactly we have to do, guys? Driver dot switch to method. Whenever we want to switch from one HTML document to another HTML document, that time we have to use this switch to method. So driver dot switch to dot frame method basically we have to use, and here we can pass the index. Now this web element basically, now here you can see, guys, even you can search this web element over here like iframe tag basically we can use. Okay, iframe tag basically use. Yeah, we have these mini matches basically where we have. Now definitely you might have another question. So whatever we are checking, which is fine, it means we can identifying the particular web element with the help of the manual thing. So do we have any another option to identifying the particular iframe through the automation? Yes, we have another way as well. So for that, what exactly we have to do, guys? Simple. What exactly we have to do? So let it be. I will tell you later on this point how to switch the from one HTML document to another HTML document. How to switch on the particular web element which is exist in the another iframe. But first of all, we can see how basically we are identifying the size of the iframe which is available on our page. So simple, guys. What exactly we have to do here? Let me comment out this code as well. Okay, and what exactly I'm trying to do? I am just using driver. Just a minute. Driver dot find elements method basically I'm using, by dot tag name I'm using, and here I'm going to use iframe option I'm going to use. That's it, guys. Okay, when this is done, here you can use these terms. When this is done, you can write down this term list of web element. This is because find elements return type is a list of web elements, and you can write down elements over here and is equal to. And once this is done, once we are done with the finding the XPath over here, why it is giving me an error? Sorry, here we must need to write down the web element. I'm really sorry. Okay, once this is done, here you can see, guys, once this is done, now what exactly we have to do? We need to print the basically elements size, element dot size method basically we have to use, and with the help of this term with the help of this thing basically we will get the size of the iframe. So simple, I'm just using over here what, guys, iframe size, this thing basically I'm just using over here plus. When this is done, here you can see, guys, I'm running my scripts, and you can see you will get the exact size of the iframe which is available on the particular web page. Okay, now here you can see, if you can looking at this web page, here you can see multiple advertise basically we can see over here. This is the first thing we have, this is the second thing we have, this is the third advertise we have, this is a fourth advertise we have. With the help of these many things basically we can get the thing. And here you can see guys, we will get a particular iframe size, which is a completely 8 basically iframe we have. Okay, so this is how basically we can find out the particular size of the iframe with the help of this size method. Okay, and with the help of the find elements method, with the help of the tag name, we can able to find out the simple size of the iframe. Once this is done guys, let me remove this all code. Now we are going to learn how to switch to the particular iframe, so we can able to look at the web element. So there are simple way we have. First way, with the help of the index. This is the first way we have. With the help of the index, we can fetch the particular iframe. So here you can see guys, what exactly I'm trying to do. I am just uncommenting this code over here. Okay, and here I am just uncommenting this two thing over here, and here I'm passing the indexed over here. Suppose I'm passing the three indexed over here, and if you can see let me check. Here you can see this particular web element inside the particular iframe. So what exactly I'm trying to do, I'm simple passing this iframe index over here too, and if I'm providing the semicolon, I'm just okay, and I'm just running this scripts over here. And you can see guys, what will happen if you are handling the proper element like inside the frame, then that time only you will get a text, otherwise your script is going to fail over there. Okay, my script is running over there, and here you can see this is successfully handled by this indexed over here. This is a second index I just provided over here, and I can able to successfully fetch the text of that web element which is available in the particular iframe. This is the first way we have with the help of the index. Then second way we are going to learn. What is the second way we are going to learn guys? Simple. With the help of the what guys, with the help of the name or id. Now if you are locating this web element, I'm talking about this web element. Here you can see this web element available here. This is an id of this locator, and this is an id of this frame. Here you can see. So simple, what exactly I'm trying to do, simple, I'm just copying this id of this web element, and I'm just providing the id over here in double quote. I'm just providing the id, and once this is done, here you can see guys, I'm again running my scripts over here, and you can see what will happen. My script is going to successfully run over there, and again I'm able to fetch the text of that particular web element. So this is just, and I'm providing the id or name. With the help of these terms also, we can able to switch the frame inside the frame. Here you can see I can able to successfully fetch the text of that particular web element. Once this is done, then third option we have, which is named as the with the help of the web element. So simple, what exactly we can do over here, you can simple write down the code like XPath also you can write down over here. So what exactly I'm trying to do, I am simple using double forward slash iframe, I'm using in square bracket, I'm using @id is equal to in single quote, I'm just providing over here that id value. And here you can see guys, I can able to successfully locate at that web element. And here you can see guys, I'm simply providing that web element over here with the help of the driver dot find element by dot XPath I'm using. And here you can see guys, I'm just providing my XPath over here, that's it. And again, if I'm going to run my scripts over here, you can see guys what will happen. So this is how also we can able to find out the web element with the help of the this is how also we can able to switch from one frame to another frame with the help of the web element. So this is how basically we can switch from one frame to another frame with the help of these three methods. What are those? With the help of the index, with the help of the name or id, and with the help of the web element, we can able to simple switch from one frame to another frame. I hope this video is really like for you guys.